Have you ever pondered the intricate complexity of a Rubik's Cube? Now imagine coupling that with the advanced prowess of artificial intelligence. Intriguing, isn't it? Here's a tale that marries the two, a journey that begins with a simple cube of colors and ends with a world record. The Rubik's Cube, a seemingly simple puzzle with over 43 quintillion possible configurations. It's a challenge that has puzzled millions, from young children to seasoned mathematicians. But imagine if a machine could unravel this enigma. Enter the world of artificial intelligence. The quest to solve the Rubik's Cube with artificial intelligence is not a recent phenomenon. It started in the early 2000s, when researchers began exploring the potential of AI algorithms to decode the cube's complexity. The idea was to teach machines not just to solve the puzzle, but to do it efficiently and quickly. This was no easy task. To achieve this, AI had to learn, understand, and master the cube's intricate rules. It was a process that involved training neural networks on millions of different cube configurations. Fast forward to the late 2000s, advanced machine learning algorithms started showing promising results. They were not just solving the cube, but doing it faster than any human could. The breakthrough moment came in 2020, when an AI named DeepQBA, developed by scientists at the University of California, Irvine, solved the Rubik's Cube in a staggering 1.2 seconds. Yes, you heard it right. 1.2 seconds. This feat wasn't just about speed. DeepQBA demonstrated an ability to solve the cube from any scrambled state, proving its superior problem-solving skills. It was a moment that truly showcased the power and potential of AI. So, there we have it. A journey that started with a puzzle and ended with an artificial intelligence setting a world record. It's a story that shows us the immense capabilities of AI, and how it continues to push boundaries in ways we could have never imagined. DeepQBA's 1.2-second solve time stands as a testament to this. A world record that not only redefines the limits of speed but also the limitless potential of artificial intelligence. From a Rubik's Cube to the world of AI, it's quite a journey, isn't it? But remember, this is just the beginning. As we continue to unravel the potential of AI, who knows what other records we might break? Only time will tell.